my closest friends to be my bridesmaid, and she lives 2 hours away, and it just so happens she is in town going to a party, and I'm leaving soon to do her makeup. So she gets the box first. Instead of shipping it to her, since she'll be here, I'll actually get to see her. I'm gonna give it to her. So I just got her some sandals. I saved the date, and it's a magnet. Cute little shot glass. Our colors for the wedding. And this is actually a magnet as well. I plan on putting a picture on it of her and I from her wedding. And this can go on the fridge or wherever you want to put it as well. So that is her completed box. This is the cover. Don't mind the flash. So that will be her completed box.